Welding school PPE. The first thing you need to grab is get you some steel toes or some deposit toes, so that way you can protect your feet. You want to make sure you wear some jeans. Jeans are better than flammable pants like khakis and things like that. Then you want to get you a RF jacket. Now you're still going to have a couple sparks and flames. It still might burn, but it's not going to burn like it will if you just come in with a regular shirt. You want to make sure you got some good gloves on. I would say if you stick welding or MIG welding, having good gloves to protect your hands is a plus, because them BBs will find a way to get to the skin. Then make sure you have your eye protection on. It's very, very valuable to have good eye protection on with your welding hood, because things can actually fly into the hood and still hit your eye. Then you want to make sure you have your earplugs. It might be very loud inside of the welding shop, so that way you won't damage your ears while you're learning welding. Then you want to make sure you get a welding hat. That's going to protect your head for your welding hood. And next and last is your welding hood. They got different brands and models, so we're not going to promote a certain kind. We just say get you a good welding hood. And this is your actually setup gear for welding school. When you're diving into your education, you want to make sure you look like him. Hog on.